To our RW 85 class, and I wanted to walk you through a few things. This PowerPoint is about reading and writing, and really we're going to talk about critical thinking. What is critical thinking? What does that mean to you? So when I start out, I really want you to understand that I want you to be the change that you want to see in the world. And this is why you're here. Learning how to write well and communicate well is key to this life, whether it's with family or with work life or with our loved ones and our friends. So there's a lot of objectives in our course, and I wanted to review just some basic ones because understanding critical thinking and emotional intelligence is really important as you move into college. We are going to learn effective annotation skills and learning how to create outlines for better writing. We're going to learn how to develop well-formatted essays, understanding how sentences are written well with correct structure, and many reading and writing techniques. So let's get started. What is critical thinking? Why is it important to apply logic in critical thinking and writing? So at this point in time, you'll have a link that will take you to the critical thinking area for you to read in our book. And this is the time that you are going to reflect, you're going to review and read the information about critical thinking. Our textbook is loaded with wonderful descriptive anecdotes and ideas and a lot of pictures that can help you understand this. And understanding critical thinking is really important so you can move forward. So let's look at it a little bit. Here's an example. What degree should I seek? What do you think? People asked you that question. So when you're thinking about it, here's some of the many different areas that are involved with that thinking process. You can think about assumptions, asking people what they think, examining what they're saying. You can ask questions. You can solve problems when you do critical thinking. So when you're doing this about your degree, is a business degree really going to lead me to a good job? Examine what people have said. Talk to others. Ask, you assume that you'll get a good job if you major in business, right? But will you? Look at ads. They're all over the internet. You can look at many different ads with people who have a business degree. And if that doesn't work, you might say, well, I'm not so sure. So what degree should I seek? What should I look at? Where can I get that information? Well, BCTC has lots of people you can talk to. Our career services area, our admissions folks, our advisors. Great ways to look for different avenues as far as what degree that you should seek. So when looking at this, when you examine your assumptions, you say, hey, I know business majors will get good jobs. I'll like working in business. Maybe you won't. So that's something to think about. I'll do fine in the courses I have to take to get a business degree. Will you? Will you enjoy them? Do you like them? Are you prepared? You need to ask these critical questions. Do business majors really get good jobs? And what kind of jobs do they get? Are there opportunities for business majors in my city or region? Will I like the job in the business field? This is critical thinking.